To find the standard deviation in Excel, what you do first is you go to a blank cell where you're going to want to put this. I usually like to label my cells so I know what I have, and then go to one to the right of it so I can stick it in there and know that's what it is. I'm going to go to More Functions, Statistical, and then I'm going to scroll down to Standard Deviation. I usually pick the standard deviation based on a sample because that's usually what we're doing. The one with a P at the end is the standard deviation based on a population. So I'm going to pick standard deviation, and then it asks me what do I want to find the standard deviation of. So I highlight my data, and then I can see my data's in here. I click OK, and there is the standard deviation. You can follow that same process for almost any of the things that we needed, the mean, the median, the mode. All of them are in that same More Functions, Statistical. For the mean, we do the average. For the mode, you could do multi or single. It isn't going to matter in the medians right there. If you go down a little farther, you have the quartiles, and we would use the quartile EXC. If you have any questions, just ask. Thanks. Bye.